everyone, today we'll be unbagging the Bolzano handbag subscription for the month of June. I finally got it in July, so let's begin. So the subscription comes with accessories. There's different levels. You can choose the ones where you get makeup items as well, beauty items. This one's just accessories, the base subscription with the handbag. So let's see. So a card comes with it, and then it tells you about the bag that you're receiving. Let's start off with the accessories. Okay, so over here I see some jewelry. See these Bolzano earrings. Don't really wear earrings, so I'm gonna have to gift it to a friend. And this cute heart necklace. It's really cute. Okay. And the next item looks like it's a tassel. It's a keychain tassel for the handbag. Okay. Now let's go to the handbag. I chose the small handbags. You can choose, you can customize which types of handbags you want as well, and I like smaller ones. They're more comfortable to carry around. So this is the bag I received. It's red. It's a red crossbody. Okay. So this is what it looks like. It has this magnetic clip, and then it has a zipper. Pockets here and a zippered pocket over here. And yeah, that's what it looks like. And this tassel can go on the bag as well. Well, that's everything for this month. I hope you guys enjoyed this unbagging. And if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you, and have a wonderful day. Bye.